Hello friends, today I will show you one software, right? So it's a backup software. I find a lot of softwares which are the paid one, even those are not working as per my expectations, right? So if I create a backup or restore thing, so they are adding a log files here. So after that, when I change my system, so at that time, so drive names are mostly changed, as you know, sometime, so it can't back up, it's not able to restore thing or yeah. So I created the software, it's in C sharp, right? So you can back up here any type of data, right, from your system to external drive, right, and also to mobile and mobile to your system. Fine. So it's a simple one. So I added a lot of paths here. You can also put any type of paths here, right? So I use I'm using here the MDB, the Microsoft Access database, just for storing only the paths, right? You can put a lot of paths here, okay, and you can update in future. Suppose your drive is changed, everything is changed, suppose, so you can update it, right? So now you can see I already set the path here, and my data is in, yeah, in download the source and destination folder I created. So you can check in the source file, so there is a folder also there's some files. So if I run it, run, okay, the backup, the how much files are there, it's also tell you. So all are copied, right, all are copied. So there is a one more feature, if you wanted to clean the destination, suppose I deleted something from a source, so mostly these things happen, as you know. I delete that, suppose I delete the two files. So if I hit backup again, okay, so it copy three of three. So if you check in your destination folder, okay, so it's also deleted. If you uncheck it, then you can keep a backup over there, no issue of that. So this is a software, so it's a paid software, you can purchase it, right? So let me know. Thank you so much.